ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Nadu said that.
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 Right. Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Right.
Ka Self Defense Martial Art Training Center ka bade ka Shlem ai jinghi kai pentebet yaki khon samla ha ka jingi le kai Taekwondo menta ka dan hapdang ka jingpin khre pan Leit mi Khmat nak benta kari India shaka first Bangga Bandhu Open International Taekwondo Championship araja pulai ka long ha kari Bangladesh hapo kanong ba Dhaka ka ni ka kunhon kan mi Khmat kari India nak East Khasiels District Taekwondo Association bat ka ni kalempung kan sedang nadu ka khat khandai terek urisau hadu ka arpoi terek urisau araja pulai kitai bat kirang ki bani esimenta ha ka te kalempung kidan hadu khat san ngot ba kan thop ya khandai ngot ki kintai ban reu ngot pat ki te kishinrang yakni kan hon on yalam da ka coach ka Pinky Narzari ka badai ka thai le kai ka balayo fourth dan black belt ka badai ru ka national referee harkat bat UN Shukla Ubadai ru President ka East Khasiels Taekwondo Association bar ka ju opor bolong ru international referee ubadai na ka jila Meghalaya ha ka jinga kran ba ka coach ka lai thu ba ka ni ka sien ka baningkong na Meghalaya ba kirang ba kithai ba ile ka Taekwondo kin Leit ishimanta na kari India
Fighting! Fighting!
Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Nong. Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Side. Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Fast.
Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
Side. Nadu said that.
Nadu said that.
My name is Pinky Nazari and I am 4th dan black belt national referee, and I have done my instructor course from Seoul, Korea, and I'm also NS certified coach. Yeah, we are preparing for the international competitions which is going on from 19th to 21st of October. It will be held in Bangladesh, Dhaka, and this is the first time from Meghalaya state the Taekwondo athletes are representing the India country as well as the Meghalaya state. I started from 1999 when I was 8 to 9 years old, and then I joined SAI. I used to play from SAI, Meghalaya SAI, and I have represented national, international as well as many open competitions also. Yes, I am also compete under 40 age group. Categories are from under 12, that is sub-junior, then cadets, 12 to 14 years, 14 to 17 years that's junior, and then 17 and above is seniors. The 4 different categories are there. We are preparing since from last 2 months. Basically the training is going on every day, but then for this international competitions we are giving more hard morning and evening, 6 to 7 hours. Sometimes we end up with 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the evening. Taekwondo, it's a martial arts, Korean martial arts, and the Taekwondo means like it's art of kicking and punching, and it is also useful for, sometimes it is useful for the weapons. No, it works like a weapons things. Yes, right, you are absolutely right. The Madam Superintendent of Police from Sikkim, Sabitra Pradhan, she is also joining us, as we have got the invitations in India, only the Meghalaya state, that is we, the East Khasiels District Taekwondo Association. So she will be representing Sikkim, India, but then she will be going with us from Meghalaya team. Traveling, yes, I'm very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, who has sponsored us for flight fare and all. I'm very much grateful for him, like he have supported us, and he is very much helpful towards sports. Thank you very much to Conrad Sangma, Honorable Conrad Sangma sir.
Adan kumtu nadu arjar katsan amtang ada black belt first dan so tenat bang yo Leit stay sha Bangladesh ben yo compete stay benet sabar kari te kadai kasin banikang jonga o sabar kana ka state nga Leit san sin tu nga apoi sha Delhi sha Assam arsin sha Kalimpong bat sha Darjeeling dan ba yo silver bronze tang ba gold te yang pajiyo kam sim te jonga nga kwa yo gold hi ka thong jonga yo gold tang ba dam yo ruk ngan long persang kat yo bersang kat banga la practice ta men step mentang ya practice nadu san hadu nyau nadab janmiet ngi practice nadu san baje hadu pra teng teng ngi poi hadu khnai baje e ru ben yo le compete stay kadang ya practice e ba
Kerta jongat ni ngan adan sap saus nem, but kani ka jingrai jongi shatai kalong mdei tamang amaroi ni khun jangaru ni udan lang ha kani ka klab ni Ïalehkai lang Ïalehkai nak sub junior ti nga pada ngan ya khun nak under 50 sap saus nem under 50 dekat senior category lagi freshers ti kani kalong ka we kalat nam ta jonga ka ba nadu dang ret ngala chikwa tamang khamyo alat rei ha kani ka age mangayo mta kani kerta mta ngayo alat community nga dokumen palat nama ba iwe kawai ru de ni coach jangai no hikai iba penslur yang ban join ban sim bantah ni ningkong ngak klub tre nama ba ngadan ka jing tiang nama ba ngala ong ngalarang ba ngam la shu rayong em kamdan ke ru ka ba phemla te da ka jing penslur mesim jong imes te ngatre ngaru ngala join lang te mentara don sisnam sitang banga join bat ukhun ti kajing perkrek kalong kaya syai-syai namar ba ngikwa bangin job ngikwa ban yo ke ka ba ngila ya khun do yap nam ta kathong ngikwa ban ai khublai na kalyang jungi baro ya kasnong nong remau ikinok punya snong rang ba snong ba sekretari snong ba baro ba punya snong bagi ai la dingi bangin penan kam yang ni ka hall hang ni bangin yo man ka sngi bangin wan practice bangin le ka kelas jungi hang ni ti da kajing ka support jongki ka ni kajing kersan jong ki mo long is not ya kata bro tingi ai khuble ki shikat dei
tingi Shafika Bernice Dakar ngadai kat Arsenal te ngalet represent ya ke India international bak ngalaju let state level ro ngalai goal bonsin te ngala sedang nadu last year te nadu san baje hadu new baje ngishet practice kumto te na men miet bat ngishet practice nadu san baje tingkat hadu kendai baje ni prab je ba kajing thong te banyo gol ban kat bala kat bayo nong bachu ai bet kat bala kan kat bayo hap sang banyo gol te